What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chef Yarneezy, the Pip Master. Listen, guys, I gave a full analysis and it wasn't even recorded. So look, I got to go back through this again. So let's start with trading view. I was talking about pocket options and how you can do binary options. And what I've done here is you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades successfully, right? 9 trades successfully. 2 today, and the rest were yesterday. So 7 of them yesterday. I missed the bottom one here. I got the one before. But check this out, guys. This is going to blow your mind. 5-second trades. 1801.55 to 1802. That was 5 seconds. All right. I wagered 150 to pull back to 267. So I made 75% here and 78% on the rest off of AJ. All of these are 5-second trades. You know, I can click them, say S5. When you see S5, that's 5 seconds. Now today I said, okay, it's going to take a little bit longer, and I don't want to really be on my pins and needles with 5-second trades. So I did a 3-minute trade from 2100 to 2103. Then I did a 2-minute trade, and both of those hit successfully, right? If you look at where I was, I got 1 pip off of this from 83 to 84. And this one I got 81 to 80. That was the difference here. So I think one was a put and one was a call. Yep, that was a put, that was a call. Down arrow, up arrow. But these were crazy. Like 51 to 52 in 5 seconds. That was just ridiculous. Anyway, if you want to learn more about the high frequency, and this is my demo account, I have traded in my live account today and did very well. But this was my demo account, and I wanted to show binary options. Now, if you want to learn more about how you can make this type of money in seconds or minutes, holla at me. Now, I like this Sweet Green company. I love them. I got them yesterday, and no, I did not give this as a stock tip yet. But I bought this at 25.62 yesterday down here somewhere, and today I'm almost $5 in profit. So kudos to this company. But what did I see? I saw it bottom out here on the 1 hour chart, which means it has to run somewhere up to the top, and it's trying to get to the 50. So 32.75 is where I see it going. I don't know if it's going to turn around yet, but they are a new company. As you can see, they have no history. As usual, guys, remember I said when a new IPO comes on the market, it does this and then it plummets, then it comes back for life, comes back for air. Okay. Box, I bought this as an option, and Lynn's doing good. I got this one at 25.66. It's at 26.13, and I'm in this option till $27 or until December. I think my option is over December 21st, I think. Let's see. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Okay, I'm going to talk about this live tomorrow so you guys can tune into this radio show. I'll be on a radio show live, All Hustle No Flow in Atlanta. But check this out. Bitcoin is it still has some drop in it. Everybody's like, Bitcoin's ready to buy up. I don't know about that. Even though it dropped here, Bitcoin has a gap to close that you can't see on here at all. Let me see if it's on the lower time frame. Nope, it won't show it to us on here, but on my phone, it shows the gap that it left, and it has to go close that gap before it can really buy up. So I'm in a sell on Bitcoin, waiting on it to buy back up after it closes this gap, unless it leaves another one. Okay, so no more to really say on Bitcoin. Don't buy it yet if you don't have it already. Let it drop some more, and I do see it going to. Give me a second here. Let me just look at my phone. I can tell you. Let's look at it and see Bitcoin. Where you at? Okay. Let me tell you where the gap is, at least. Nothing else. Okay, so that gap. Oh, yeah, that's a nice gap it left right there. Bitcoin left a gap between 50,263, and 49,407. So look to get in Bitcoin for that sale down to that closure of the gap there. And then I believe it'll run up. If it does not close the gap now, it's definitely going to run up to somewhere in the neighborhood of 54,368. But if it does go back to close the gap first, that'll be its next run up toward the lower 50s. once it drops down that 40 range. Lastly, let's talk about the EJ, and I'm not lastly, but EJ, Euro JPY. Euro JPY, see this cross right here, right? That's telling me it's still not ready to buy up. So even though it's buying, right? It looks like it is, right? Even though it appears to be buying, which it just hit my EMA here, it has to drop and pull back. Let's look at it on a lower time frame. So EJ is in a very unique area. It should be buying up, honestly. Once it crosses 128027 or '06, I think it's going to buy up to 12887 and all the way up to 12944 based on how my EMAs are set up on the 1 hour chart. NAS. We have this theory in our group where we just don't sell NAS, okay? I don't care what NAS is doing, we ain't selling it. But NAS, I see NAS setting a new high. Once it comes down and pulls back to about 16228, I see NAS, guys, going. I just drew a new channel on NAS too. Look at that channel right there. That's where NAS can go. NAS 18072. That's redunculous. Let's look at a closer channel to where it's been hitting. That's an older channel that I drew. Let's look at a closer one. Oh, right there to here. So at least right now, let me put this down just a little bit. Right now, NAS can buy up to 17084. Remember, you heard it here first. Ha ha. And then lastly, my favorite, US30, the Dow Jones. It is definitely not in a sell pattern right now. It is in a buy pattern. And I see it going back to my 19 October high, 35,864. And then the pass through 923 on to 979. And that's another one that's ready, getting geared up to set a new high. Because if you look at it on a day chart, she did the same thing. She ain't really selling. She just buying. And her next move is going to be up here to 571, 36,571. And I believe this is the new high, 37,038. That's what she's going to set. You heard it here first. I'm going to be in a call all the way up through there, okay? Point blank, period. Unless some news happens, I have a stop loss in profit already set. That's my time, guys. It's 7 minutes and 42 seconds. I hope this information helps. Oh, I know you want to hear about my favorite, my stock that made really good money. So let's look at Lucid real quick, and then I'll let you go. All right, so Lucid has some bad news. So this is the result of the bad news that Lucid had. So if Lucid option is available, I'm going to put a put option in on Lucid all the way down to 33.18 because that's where it can come to. First option to be $3.71 or less, down to $40.44. That'll be my very first option as a put option if they have it ready for options yet. If not, I'm just going to wait for her to drop and then I'll get back in once news turns around or once she bottoms out in the RSI, which she is nowhere near it yet, okay, based on the 4-hour chart. 1 hour chart, yeah, look at that. She's coming, yeah, 33.18, guys, for Lucid. So that's his bearish move for now. And I still want that guy, whoever said something about me. One guy was talking trash basically about, I see why you only have 8 followers or some crap. But you see I made the right calls on it, right? Okay, that's all I got to say. Anyway, that's my time. I know that was a little shade, but it wasn't the shade. Honestly, it was the truth. That's my time, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'm your boy, Chef Yarneezy. I'll be live with Sunshine tomorrow on All Hustle, No Fear. I believe my call time tomorrow is, I think she says 7:30. It's kind of early. It's either 7:30 or 8 o'clock. So, yeah, if you want to tune in and check me out, I will be on All Hustle, No Fear. Talking cryptocurrency. Actually, it's at 7:45 Eastern. All right, 7:45 Eastern. You can find it at Hood Unicorn Official on host, or you can go to you can listen live on Hits 92.3 app, and it's going to be streaming live on YouTube and Facebook. Okay, so she has several different ways this thing is going to be streaming, but it's All Hustle, No Fear. You can look it up. Join me tomorrow. I will be talking about cryptocurrency and a little bit more. All right, I'm out.